Alright, let's get started on how to view your followers on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and show some love with a like. Here's how you can see who following you. Firstly, let's navigate to your Facebook profile page. If you're using a mobile device, locate the menu button either at the top right or bottom right of the Facebook app. Tap on it and then select your profile. You'll find your name and profile picture at the top of the menu. Just tap on it to access your profile. On a computer, simply click on your profile icon at the top right of Facebook. Then click on your name to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you see the options for Add to Story and Edit Profile. To the right of Edit Profile, you'll find three dots. Click there to open up your profile settings. In your profile settings, locate the option for Activity Log. You can also access your activity log from your settings, but I found this method easier. If you're having trouble finding it, you can search for activity log in the settings. Scroll down in your activity log until you find the option for connection. Click on Manage Followers to see all of your connections. Now let's filter this list to view only your followers. Click on Filters at the top left, then select Categories, tap on People who followed you from the option. You'll now see a list of all your followers along with the data they followed you. If you don't have any followers, it will indicate so. And that is it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like. Peace out.